is Rob today. Just got off the phone with my boys at Tune Time. The car is ready to be picked up. Unfortunately, they did give me some bad news. The car was not able to get a full dyno tune. And this is mainly due to the fact that the clutch is not long for this world. The clutch is not handling the power up top. It's just not doing too good. The clutch has COVID. I'm gonna need a new clutch, and with that, they're not able to give me the full tune. So until I replace the clutch, the car is as is, which means I'm gonna pick up the car. I'm gonna bring it back to the Waka garage and figure out what else to do. I guess I'm gonna try and figure out the clutch situation down the line. Don't really have the funds to swap a clutch in at this moment. Just spent a couple of bucks fixing the car up these last few weeks. So we're gonna sit on the clutch replacement for a little bit, do some research. Probably gonna go South Bend. We'll see. The car it still needs some work. A few other little mods planning on putting in. That's a secret. Video for another day. We'll see what else we can get done while it's at the garage. Man, it's like a gut punch. Right when I think the car is done, right when I think it's time to go get it, bring it back, hammer through these gears. Nah, not done yet. Shoutouts. Huge shoutouts to our sponsors: Diamond Rock Water, Weir Welding, and Relentless Athletics. Almost everything you see on this channel that we wear is going to be through them. They make great apparel. Hit them up. I'll put their links in the description below. Make sure you tell Rob Waka sent you. Shout outs to all the supporters, especially Team Waka: John, Chris, John, Frank, Steve, Mike. Those guys have been instrumental in really pushing me in this platform, really supporting me, telling me, yo, we want to see what you can do with this. And shout out to my wife. There's been no bigger supporter. I could not have done this without you, baby. I love you. Also, I'm just kidding. All those people fucking hate my car. They hate the fact that it exists. They hate the fact that I put money into it. They literally hope it dies in a fiery crash. Everybody else has hated this build. They tell me daily. They say, please stop working on this car. Please sell the car. Please bring it to a junkyard and let it die in peace. Can you believe that? To the actual supporters who have clicked like and subscribe, I appreciate you. I love the fact that I have some people following the channel. I'm going to keep bringing content every Wednesday, Waka Wednesday. That's it. Keep on watching. Let's grow this channel. Hashtag Waka1000. Leave a comment below about literally anything. Literally anything. Comment about anything. Nobody ever comments on these videos. I feel lonely. Anyway, going to pick up the car now. Gonna see how it drives back. Again, still needs some work. Gonna get it back to the Waka garage and get back to diving into modding it. Nothing will stop this. This project will continue. It will be great. Make HHRs great again. That's what I say. While I'm at it, I'm gonna do an outro. I don't even know if I'm gonna film any when I get to this car. Hit like, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Peace. I have been farting all morning. It is so fucking nasty. Oh my god. I want to open a window, but then I can't hear the audio, and I'm like trapped in a cabin of my own farts. I'm gonna edit the shit out of this. There's no way this is making